Hey space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're debunking the top 10 myths about space. There's a lot of misinformation out there, so let's set the record straight. Myth number 1. Space is completely empty. While it's true that space is a vacuum, it's not entirely empty. There are sparse particles, cosmic rays, and even entire galaxies scattered throughout the universe. Space is filled with low-density plasma, gas, dust, and radiation. So next time someone says space is empty, you'll know it's far from the truth. Next up, myth number 2. The sun is yellow. Surprisingly, the sun is actually white. It appears yellow to us because Earth's atmosphere scatters blue and violet light, leaving the yellow-red spectrum more visible. If you were to view the sun from space, without atmospheric interference, you'd see its true color: white. Myth number 3. There's no gravity in space. Gravity exists everywhere in space, but its strength decreases with distance from massive objects. Astronauts in orbit around Earth experience microgravity, not zero gravity. They float because they are in a constant state of free fall around the planet. Myth number 4. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. Despite popular claims, the Great Wall is not easily visible from space without aid. It's relatively narrow and blends in with its surroundings. Even astronauts have a hard time spotting it with the naked eye. Myth number 5. The moon has a dark side. The moon is tidally locked with Earth, meaning we only see one side of it. However, both sides experience day and night. There's no permanent dark side. Instead, there's a far side that remains hidden from our view. Myth number 6. Black holes suck everything in like a vacuum. Black holes have a strong gravitational pull, but they don't actively suck in objects. Their gravity affects objects that come too close, just like any other massive body in space. If our sun were replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would continue to orbit it without being sucked in. Myth number 7. Humans explode in space without a suit. In reality, a human wouldn't explode but would face severe consequences from lack of oxygen and decompression. Without a suit, a person would lose consciousness within seconds and eventually die from asphyxiation. Spacesuits provide the necessary protection and oxygen to survive. Myth number 8. Stars twinkle in space. Stars appear to twinkle from Earth due to atmospheric turbulence. In the vacuum of space, stars shine steadily without the atmospheric interference that causes twinkling. Myth number 9. Space is cold everywhere. Space itself has no temperature. Objects in space can be extremely hot or cold, depending on their exposure to the sun. For example, the side of an object facing the sun can get extremely hot, while the shaded side can be freezing cold. And finally, myth number 10. You can see spacecraft traveling at light speed. Currently, traveling at light speed is purely theoretical and beyond our technology. Even if it were possible, observing such speed would be incredibly challenging due to the immense velocities involved. And that's our list of the top 10 myths about space debunked. If you have any other space myths you'd like us to address, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating space facts. Thanks for watching.